Still working on that dense mirroring brush. When I draw a pattern right here, I want the end result to be this larger meta pattern if the mirroring brush goes all right. We're going to need some constants to help us with that. So in the top level constant macros, we have added some constants in the bin geom in place section. So for the midground bit masks, we have the shifting values. And if we want any of these bit packed variables out of the uint32 for the sublayer, we first are going to mask the uint32 with this, and then we'll shift out the value we want with the shifting values. Here's a little logic to check our math to make sure that we have exactly 10 bits worth of data represented in our shifts. We have the exact same thing going on for the background sublayer and the foreground sublayer. It's the exact same idea, except the shifting values are different. So the relative spacing between these and these are the same, but they're located in different subsections of our uint32. We're going to use these shifting amounts within the MIRMAID section within this rotational code. This code that rotates the auto tile internals of our binary tile. We need those shift values to finish this function. And down here in the symmetric bilateral mirroring code, we need to call that function right down here in our kitty corner code. Technically, we're already calling it, but it's not doing what it needs to do yet because it's just stubbed in. Here's what we did previously, and here's what we did in this video. Like, subscribe, and send money in the mail, and if my explanation didn't make sense, you can go to the longer playlist. I filmed this 3 times in a row, so kind of pick whatever channel works for you. Here's the source code. Email me here. Like, subscribe, send money.